Rogue planets, adrift in the cosmic ocean. In the dark and silent reaches of space, there are nomads, celestial bodies untethered from the gravitational grip of any star. These enigmatic worlds, known as rogue planets, drift endlessly through the void, their paths guided only by the forces that shaped their chaotic origins. Unlike Earth and its planetary neighbors, which orbit the Sun in predictable elliptical paths, rogue planets chart solitary and uncertain courses, carrying the echoes of their violent pasts as they traverse the galaxy. For space enthusiasts and dreamers of science fiction alike, rogue planets embody the allure of the unknown. These cosmic loners challenge our understanding of planetary formation, habitability, and even the requirements for life itself. What secrets lie beneath their icy crusts? What stories could they tell of the cosmos? For every rogue planet discovered, countless more slip invisibly through the dark, waiting for future explorers to unravel their mysteries. The birth of a rogue planet is as much a story of violence as it is one of resilience. Many rogue planets likely began their existence within a star system, forming alongside sibling planets in the warm embrace of a young star. However, the early years of a solar system are turbulent and chaotic, where gravitational interactions between massive objects often lead to disaster. A close encounter between gas giants can destabilize the orbit of smaller, rocky worlds, flinging them into the interstellar void. Cast out and severed from their parent star's gravitational pull, these unlucky worlds begin lives as rogues. But not all rogue planets share this origin. Some may form in isolation, deep in the darkness of a collapsing cloud of gas and dust. In these dim regions, no central star ignites to dominate the system. Instead, a lone planet might emerge, fully untethered from the start. These solitary worlds are born adrift, destined to wander the depths of space with no sun to anchor them. Rogue planets serve as a testament to the creative and destructive forces of the universe. Each one is a reminder that, despite the chaotic interplay of gravity and time, resilience can spark the existence of worlds without boundaries. At first glance, rogue planets may seem like barren wastelands, their surfaces locked in the icy grip of perpetual night. Without the warmth of a star, temperatures on these worlds are unimaginably cold, often reduced to levels where even the most extreme earthbound life could not survive. However, the allure of rogue planets lies in what might exist beneath their frozen crusts. Far from the light of a star, these planets still possess internal sources of heat. Residual warmth from planetary formation, radioactive decay within their cores, or even tidal forces from internal interactions may provide enough energy to maintain vast subsurface oceans. Trapped beneath miles of ice, these hidden water worlds could theoretically host life. If organisms exist in such environments, they would evolve in ways wholly unlike life as we know it, thriving in darkness and sustained by geothermal energy alone. This concept reshapes how we think about habitability. No longer confined to the so-called Goldilocks zone of a star system, where surface water remains liquid, rogue planets suggest that life might flourish in the coldest and darkest corners of the galaxy. This revelation pushes the boundaries of what is possible and challenges humanity to look beyond traditional definitions of a habitable world. Finding rogue planets is no easy feat. With no star to illuminate them, these drifters are almost invisible to traditional telescopes. Yet their discovery speaks to humanity's ingenuity and determination to uncover what lies hidden in the cosmic dark. Using a technique called gravitational microlensing, astronomers can detect rogue planets by observing how their gravity bends and magnifies the light of distant stars. When a rogue planet drifts in front of a background star, this fleeting effect creates a brief yet measurable burst of brightness. By analyzing these moments, scientists can infer the existence, size, and trajectory of rogue planets. Gravitational microlensing suggests that rogue planets may be far more common than we once believed, potentially outnumbering the stars themselves. This astonishing revelation reframes the universe as a place filled not just with luminous stars, but also with an abundance of hidden nomadic worlds waiting to be discovered. Beyond their scientific intrigue, rogue planets hold incredible potential for the future of human exploration and survival. These solitary worlds present opportunities to push the boundaries of technology and imagination. In the distant future, advanced civilizations could seek to colonize rogue planets, utilizing their raw materials to build thriving, self-sufficient habitats. Their isolation might also make them ideal way stations for interstellar travel, serving as stepping stones across the vast distances between star systems. Surprisingly, what may seem like a disadvantage, the absence of a star, could offer advantages, such as protection from cosmic hazards like solar flares or asteroid impacts. For science fiction enthusiasts, rogue planets represent the perfect backdrop for stories of resilience and ingenuity, a chance to explore what it means to survive in the most extreme environments. Could these worlds serve as humanity's next frontier? Would they become sanctuaries in a universe fraught with danger, or play hosts to new, unimaginable forms of life? In the realm of literature and imagination, rogue planets are often seen as symbols of both isolation and perseverance. They endure the harshest conditions, surviving against the odds without the light of a star. Their endless journeys mirror our own existential quest as a species, adrift in the cosmos, seeking purpose and connectedness while marveling at the universe's wonders. Their existence invites us to reflect on our own nature. Are we anchored, bound by the gravitational pull of our origins? Or are we wanderers, navigating the unknown with determination and hope? Rogue planets are more than astronomical curiosities. They are emblematic of the universe's unpredictability and creativity. By studying these nomadic worlds, we learn not just about the cosmos, but also about ourselves. These wanderers urge us to redefine the rules of habitability, imagine life in the unlikeliest of places, and seek answers in the void. In their silent, solitary journeys, rogue planets remind us of the vastness of the universe and the boundless possibilities it holds. For space enthusiasts, scientists, and dreamers alike, their mysteries inspire a deeper curiosity about our place among the stars. Let us continue to explore, to wonder, and to chart the unknown, driven by the same adventurous spirit that defines these celestial nomads.